Hi, I'm Sharon Kreider. I'm a CPA and I work at Western CPE in beautiful Bozeman, Montana. You know what I think is unique about our production and our process of America's #1 federal tax update at Western CPE? What we do is we try to gather experts in topics so that our update isn't just a one-person band. It's lots of people who are subject experts coming together to help us all. We also have production people who are experts. We have camera people, we have sound people, we have a producer and a director to make sure that we are giving you a good webcast. So look out for more on Meet America's #1 federal tax update from Western CPE, where you will get a chance to see some behind the scenes exclusives and meet the ones who put it all together for you and for me. So thank you for being here. I'm Sharon Kreider, and I have been doing tax returns for, I used to say 25 years, but now I have so many friends who watch this, it might be for 35 years, and on that I might be lying. So I've been doing this a long time, and I know lots of you are new, and lots of you are medium, and lots of you have watched all these changes too. So thank you for being here.